To explain opportunity cost, we came up with an idea, with an example to better understanding about the opportunity cost. Now suppose I have only $20. So what I can do, I can invest my $20 to produce either rice production, or I can invest my full $20 to produce either sugar production. So first I'm investing my $20 to produce sugar. To produce this amount of sugar, I am giving up this amount of production. That means as I am investing my whole money to produce sugar, I cannot produce a single amount of rice. To catch this opportunity, a cost is occurring. What is this cost? This cost is $20 below rice production. So in others way, if I invest my $20 money to produce rice production, I cannot produce a single amount of sugar production. So to gain this amount of opportunity, I am giving up this amount of production. So in this time, what is opportunity cost? My opportunity cost is $20 below sugar production. Okay. Now here's a different scenario. You can see that now I am not investing my whole $20 to a single production. Now I am investing my I have divided my investment into two ways. I am investing $10 to rice production, and I am investing $10 to produce sugar. As I am investing my $10 to produce sugar, I cannot produce that amount of sugar production. To produce that amount of sugar production, I need to invest 20, but I am not investing $20. I am investing $10, so I can produce only $10 below sugar production. So it's happening also with the rice production. As I am investing $10 to produce rice, I can only produce this amount of rice production. Now we can see that what is opportunity cost. Now to produce that amount of rice production, I have given up this amount of sugar production. That means to produce $10 rice, I have given up $10 sugar production. In other ways, to produce that amount of sugar production, I have given up this amount of rice production. That means to produce $10 below sugar production, I have given up $10 below rice production. This is the opportunity cost in both POV. Now we will try to understand opportunity cost through a graph. In this graph, the vertical side referring that rice production and horizontal side referring sugar production, and there is 2 points. We can see that point A and point B. Point A meaning that I have invested my $15 to produce rice and remaining $5 to produce sugar. Now at this point, what is opportunity cost? As I invested $15 to produce rice and $5 to produce sugar, to produce this sugar, I have given up this amount of production. So you can see that to produce $15 rice, we have given up $15 sugar. We have given up that $15 sugar. That is our opportunity cost. And in the other way, we can see that to get $5 value sugar, we have given up that amount of production. Unless we could also invested this amount of money to produce that amount of rice. At point B, it means that we have invested $10 to produce rice and $10 to produce sugar. That means we can get this amount of rice production and this amount of sugar production. So to gain this amount of opportunity, to gain this amount of rice production, I have given up this amount of sugar production. And in others way, to get this amount of sugar production, I have given up this amount of rice production. And we can see that in both terms that $10 value rice and $10 value sugar is our opportunity cost.